Dear students, let's discuss the problem which is given here. The problem is given like this. If the mass shown in the figure is slightly displaced, then let go. Then the system shall oscillate with a time period of. ओके मतलब हमको एक पिक्चर दे रखा है springs which are connected in series and also in parallel connection and connected to a body of mass m and इसका हमने टाइम पीरियड निकालना है बस राइट लेट्स स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग द आंसर नाउ यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है डायरेक्टली एक स्प्रिंग वाला डायग्राम ऐसा दिया all springs are identical in this case and the mass m is connected to this and everywhere it is k. So let's redraw the diagram here. If we consider the springs, let's give the names here. This is the first spring, second and third spring. 2 and 3 are in parallel connection. 2 and 3 are in parallel connection. Parallel connection. So now what we can do here, we can directly add them together and we can redraw the diagram like this. So the redraw looks in this manner. This is of mass m, this is k, and this is k equivalent, that is 2k. Okay, that is k equivalent and it is equals to 2k. And again this diagram can be redrawn in this manner by replacing the two springs with only one spring of k equivalent, that is divided by okay, under that mass is hanging of mass m, and here we need to find the value of k equivalent. Okay, k equivalent is equals to 2k multiplied by k divided by k plus 2k. As we know they both are in series connection, we can add their reciprocals. The reciprocal of k equivalent is equals to the sum of reciprocals of the springs which are connected in series connection, right? So then it is equals to 2k square divided by 3k, and it gets cancelled, and this is equals to 2k by 3. So let's substitute here. It is 2k by 3, and we know the time period t is equals to 2 pi under root m by k equivalent, and that is equals to 2 pi under root 3m by 2k. That's it. This is the answer for our question. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.